Today we're going to draw Mufasa! Yeah! And I hope you're going to follow along. Colors of life, drawing Nyle. Hey everyone, I'm Nyle, and I love Procreate. You can also use paper and pencil. Open Procreate, click on the color. Choose color from the color wheel. Select brush and start drawing. Use eraser to erase. So let's get started. Add a canvas. Let's name it Mufasa. Here we go, it took it. Now test the brush. Nah, too thick. Yep, that's good. Let's stabilize the stroke so my lines are perfect. I'm gonna start with the nose, a big nose. Mufasa is a big cat, so big nostrils, yeah. Now the cheek lines that I will connect with upper lip. It's wavy, moving close towards the center point of the nose with curved little jaw. Okay, now the easy ones, the eyebrows. My dad says grits help draw better. Let's do eyelids. Let me zoom in. Pinch out to zoom in. It's better now. You can see how stabilizing stroke is helping with the perfect curve. Now let's add hair. Lots of wavy hair. Make it look gigantic. I saw the Mufasa movie. I could not tell which one's Mufasa. But I really like Mufasa from classic Lion King movie. At least he looks like a cartoon. The new one is more like National Geographic. Now the whiskers. 4 on each side. Whoops, I forgot the ear. And we're done! Woo! Coloring time! Tap on the plus icon to add a layer and bring the color layer under the line art. Mufasa's face is orange. I will fill all of it with orange. Now the mouth in a lighter shade of the same color. And the darker shade for the bottom of the nose. Zoom in because the eyes are too small. Yep, Mufasa's eyes are yellow with red and black pupil. My dad says to add 2 spots of white that will make the eyes look glossy. Now, lots of red color to the hair. Whoops, I forgot the ear. Yep. That looks good. Fill the eyebrows with black. If you notice, Mufasa's eyes have upper and lower shades. That looks good. Add a stroke of darker shade to the big cheek. Now let's give some shadows to the hair. Now choose a razor and erase the spill. Oh, we're done! What should I draw next? Comment down below. See you later, alligators. Don't forget to subscribe. Pick up a pencil. Let's draw a star.